That's Yogi Bear. Let's start right about here with his head. We're gonna draw this side of his head, which is his cheek, and we're gonna come down just like that. That's looking pretty good. And then we're gonna draw the opposite side right about over here. There we go. There we are. Very good. Now we can give him some ears. One right about there. And then we'll do the same over here. An ear right about there. Looking very nice, everybody. Now we can give him a nose. Let's draw a nose right in the middle there. Just like this. And then back up like that. Looking nice. Now we can draw his cheeks. We'll go like this, just about there, like that. And then we'll come around on the other side, doing it like this. Very good, everybody. Shall we give him a big smile now? Here we are. There are the cheek bits. And a big old smile for Yogi like this. Very good. Give him a bit of a lip here. And maybe some little dots right about there. Super duper, everybody. Now what we can do is give him some eyes. We're gonna bring one eye up like this. Looking very nice. Give him his pupil right there. And this eye is gonna be below his hat. We're gonna draw his hat in first then. So let's do his hat here like this, right across like that. And then on the other side of that eye like that. There we go. And then we can bring this up like a triangle. Oh, there we go. Very good. Some peaks on the other side here like this. And like that. That's looking nice. And then we can draw the second eye as if it's underneath. Just like that. That's looking fun. Give me that one a pupil. And we're looking nice. We can even give him some eyebrows up here if you like. Just for fun. There we go. Give him some texture in the ears by doing that. Looking nice, everybody. We've got Yogi's face done. Now let's give him a collar. Right about here. Nice straight line right there. And we can draw a collar right about here like this. Right on up like that. And then down like this. Looking good, everybody. Now let's give Yogi some arms in our body. We'll have him standing as if he's got his hand on his hip. So there's his elbow, and his arm can come down here like that. And we'll bring that up like that. Looking nice. There's his wrist. And we'll give him some fingers. There's his pinky finger. There's the palm of his hand. And then we could draw some other fingers here. One there, and another one there. Just like that. That's looking nice, everybody. Bring his body down like that, so his hand's on his hip. Right about there like that. Looking nice. There's Yogi Bear looking like Yogi right now. Yogi always likes to have his hand up in the air as if he knows what's going on. Hand up, arm up. I know what's going on. Let's give him a thumb here. Another finger right about there. Looking very good. And then if we draw the bottom of his arm right about here like this. Bring that arm up like that. Looking nice. And then we can draw his pinky finger in like this. Just like that. And there's the palm of his hand right there. And we'll bring this finger up like that. There we are, because he knows what's going on. I know. Now let's bring his body down here like this. Very nice. He's a little tubby guy, that's what he is, Yogi Bear. And now we can draw a tie. Let's draw his tie. Ready? Here we go. Right, like this. Very nice. Looking good. That's a nice looking tie. Now let's bring his feet on down like this. And like that. How many toes has Yogi got? 1, 2, 3. Bring his legs up like this. And his other foot over here like that. Looking good, everyone. 1, 2, 3. And it's Yogi Bear, everybody. Let's get to the color. Yogi Bear's got brown fur, a green hat and green tie, black nose and eyes. Thanks, everyone.